we have quite some good standards as well. So I wouldn't advocate for people to go to South Africa as much, yet we have over 19 qualified schools with really, really high standards. We do what the people do in South Africa, and even to some extent, better standards because you are familiar with the airspace in good time. And of course, we give the industry the best. I'll urge our people, if in case you want to do pilot training, basically look for training around or flying school around, and you basically get to do your flying school.
Today here, as you can see, we just had a flight experience and it was very wonderful.
Left or right, up or down. We have our clock.